Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Mobile Public School Sitasangi. I am your computer teacher and this is standard 4th, and in this lesson we will see the how to editing in Writer part 3rd. So student, we are going to the further discussion about the editing in Writer. We recall all the portion that we see in the previous two videos. In the first video we see the how to editing means adding, deleting and copying the text in the document. Okay, in the next that we see the certain key that is used to writer to allow use some certain keys and combination key in our documents and how it to be used and what are the uses. Okay, and after that we see the some delete and backspace key, that is they can delete and erase text or a character in a document. And after that we see the undo and redo command for which we use for reverse and taken back to the and taken forward to the. Okay, this is used by use undo and redo commands. And after that we see the how to cut, copy and paste the text from one source to destination source. Okay, now in this video we will go into the further of the part. Okay, so Dobo typed the following paragraph for his science project. He found several words underlined by red waves line, that is the photosynthesis food making process in plants. So this is the paragraph which is Dobo typed. The synthesis of food in plants occurs in their leaves. Hence, the leaves are called the food factories of the plant. The leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. This energy used by the plants to synthesize their food using carbon dioxide and water. This process is called the photosynthesis. So, this paragraph typed by the Dobo. But Dobo says, Dobo, can you please tell me why these words are underlined? Then Tobo says all these words are wrongly spelled. These are spelling mistakes. I hope you know how to select and edit the text for doing corrections easily. Then Tobo again asks, I know, but it is a very tedious work to make a correction one by one. What if I have spelled a word wrong at several places in a document? Then I have to search for the particular word and correct that mistakes one by one, which is very time consuming. Then Tovo says, the solution to your problem is find and replace option. The find and replace option is used to look for a particular word in the document and replace it with the desired word. Let's see how the find and replace work. Perform the following steps means we do the steps to follow following steps to help Dobo to correct his science project work one by one. One is done for you. Okay, now the paragraph is shown in below. So first step is click the find and replace option on the edit menu. Then in the search for box, enter the text we want to search. Then click the find button. Then synthesis in the search box, search for box. Then type the correct spelling synthesis in the replace with box. And then click replace to replace the first occurrence of the word as shown. Then click again replace to find the next occurrence, or we can use the replace all button to replace all the occurrence of the word. And then writer will replace all the occurrence of the word and will prompt by showing the window indicating the number of occurrence of the word and correction made. Then click on OK. Then click the close button to finish. But do you know the shortcut key to find and replace a word is Ctrl plus F, And to cancel a search in a progress, press escape. So in this way we will see how to editing means any type of change in the document, that is adding, deleting or copying the text in the document, find and replace. Okay, in the next video we will going to discuss about the internet. Okay, till then have a good day. Thank you.